Well, I'm here with Carol out at Adelman Peonies, and we keep getting all these people asking us about ants and peonies. Are we supposed to have ants? Are we not supposed to have ants? What are we supposed to know about ants and peonies?
Well, the plant sends food up to the bud to help it grow and develop, and it has a sugar substance in it. And so the ants are there for the sugar substance. They're kind of like kids. They're there when the sugar's there, and when it's gone, they're gone. They don't help the plant. They don't hinder the plant. They're just there for the sugar. And if you have a flower that you like to take in the house and you have ants in your garden, you can put some water in a bowl and slush the flower head in it, and the ants will float off, and you can successfully take your flower in the house without ants.
So those are, great tips on what to do about ants on your peonies. So, and other information, you can always go to your website. It has a vast amount of information on how to grow peonies and how to care for them. So you can go to your website, or you can go over to gardentime.tv and we'll click you over.
And ours is peonyparadise.com.